If you're looking to download a Skool video, you're in the right place. Today, I'll walk you through the steps to download a video from Skool quickly and easily. Whether you're trying to save a tutorial for later or need offline access, you're about to learn exactly how to do it. First things first, Skool doesn't actually provide a built-in option to download videos directly from their platform, which can be frustrating if you want to save content offline. But don't worry, there are ways to work around this, and I'll show you how. Next thing, we'll look at using third-party download tools. One popular method is using screen recording software. Tools like OBS Studio or Camtasia allow you to record the video as it plays on your screen. While this method is pretty simple, it does come with a catch. The quality might not be as crisp as the original, and you'll need to be prepared to sit through the entire video while it records. So, it's a bit of a time investment. Plus, it might be against Skool's terms of service to record content this way, so always check their guidelines before proceeding. The third thing, if you're not keen on screen recording, another option is browser extensions. Extensions like Video Download Helper work with popular browsers and can detect media files on a web page. With just a click, you can download the video straight to your device. While this can be faster than screen recording, keep in mind that it might not work with all videos, especially if the content is protected or streamed in a way that makes downloading difficult. Next up, let's talk about some alternatives. If you're using Skool because you're looking for a way to organize your content and get access to video tutorials, I have to say, there are better options out there. For instance, platforms like Teachable or Thinkific are popular alternatives. These platforms offer robust features, including the ability to download videos legally and manage content efficiently. The fourth thing, while Skool has a clean, user-friendly interface, it falls short when it comes to flexibility and video downloads. Teachable, for example, gives content creators more control over their videos and enables learners to download content. Not only does this make for a more seamless learning experience, but it also aligns with how users expect modern platforms to function. In comparison, Skool's lack of a download feature means you're relying on third-party tools, which can be a bit of a hassle. Now, let's wrap up with some options for better software that will let you achieve your goals without the workarounds. If you're looking for an all-around better platform for video courses with the ability to download content directly, I strongly recommend checking out the links in the description. We've partnered up with some amazing alternatives to Skool, and if you go through our link, you'll not only get an exclusive extended free trial, but you'll also get access to bonuses that are unavailable anywhere else. These platforms are a great fit for anyone who wants to manage content, and the best part is they come with a free trial, so you can test them risk-free. So, while Skool has its perks, if you're serious about downloading videos and getting the most out of your learning experience, make sure to check out the alternatives. Don't forget, you'll get an exclusive offer through the link below, giving you the best deal possible.